Thanks to everybody who's been rocking with me and tuning into some of my videos and shorts. Appreciate you. In this video, I'm doing a simple, like always. Simple home workout, quick 8-minute. Kinda intense. It's kinda intense, but for beginners, for people, even for experienced people, for people who work out, for people who need a little quick, hard workout, intense, simple workout at home to get the blood flowing, even to lose weight. For my people who's trying to lose some weight, lose some pounds, and gain some strength, do this. This workout is for you. You're trying to burn some body fat. This is honestly the perfect workout. Like, I don't really do nothing but everything that you see, so you won't have to ask me, hey, how did you get like that? Hey, what did you do? Hey, what did that guy do? Hey, how can I get like him? What is he doing? Honestly, everything you see me do in my shorts, in my videos, is what I'm doing. This is it. This is for you. It's simple stuff. You just have to be committed to doing it. So if you can learn to be committed, learn to become committed, or try to become committed, you can start doing this simple stuff too. You just need to motivate yourself. Here we are. We kicking into jumping jacks. Now with this workout, it's called, I'm sorry guys. It's called a circuit workout. Pardon me. So with these circuit workouts, these workouts are basically workouts one after another. So you see, for me, I go into running in place and then jumping jacks, no breaks, circuit workout with more workouts. You keep your rep count high. So for me, this is what I'm doing when I go from jumping jacks to running in place to burpees to running in place to jumping jacks, from jumping jacks to burpees to running in place. This is that combination. This is that burner. This is the meat burner right here. This is that fat burner. This is the one that gets you hot. This is the one that gets you sweating like, oh man, this workout do this. Oh, my heart feel like this. Oh man, I can't breathe. Y'all can hear me breathing in a video. Like, here, you can hear me breathing, man. I'm out of breath, but that's good. Make sure you breathe in when you're doing all your workouts. Yeah, I forgot I had that in my pocket. My bad. You know, it'd be like that. Make sure you get everything out your pocket when you're doing a workout. Make sure to get back to that workout. Look at me. That don't stop nothing. That doesn't stop anything. You gotta be on a mission when you on these workouts. That man is on a mission. So get on your mission. We on week 9. This is week 9 of trying to stay consistent. We have not worked out every single day for the 9 weeks. So I don't want, for the first 4 weeks, I believe we did. But we've been working out consistently in general for 9 weeks now. This is going into week 9. Gainers, we getting money. Look at these burpees. This is how you do your burpees. Get your burpees up there. Pow. And then you transition right back into running. This is simple stuff that you can do in your home, in your room, in jumping jacks. You build it off with all of these combinations. You make it work however you want to make it work for yourself. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The right way is just to make sure you're doing it, and do it for until you're tired, until you hot and you sweating. You hot, you sweating, you know you doing something, you feel it. Make sure to try to incorporate them as many times as you can. Don't think about a count, just think about running for a while and think about jumping jacks. If you feel like you've been running for a while, switch to jumping jacks. Oh, you have time to jumping jacks. And then once you feel like you've been doing jumping jacks for a while, time for burpees, back to running in place, then jumping jacks, back to burpees. Like, you want to make sure you don't forget all of them and you going hard. As a matter of fact, you're not going hard. You're going at a moderate pace, but in between times, you want to make sure you go hard and you're going a little extra harder. Like if you're doing it regular, like I am, you just want to make sure to go harder, do it faster, a little, not faster, but make sure, you know, you give it that extra, like I'm trying to feel it, and then, you know, you calm down. So basically for the running, if you running in place, jogging in place, you'll be running mildly, like slow tempo. I'm just running a little, like I'm jogging, like up a hill. I ain't running, I ain't sprinting, like I'm doing mild. And then, you know, going crazy and upping your tempo is like you trying to run from somebody who's trying to chase you, but you still standing in place, but you feel somebody's trying to chase you, so you running, but you not going nowhere. You run trying to get away from them. They almost caught you, but you still not going nowhere, but you going mad fast, and you feel yourself going somewhere, but you're not really going nowhere, but you feel that. So if you doing that, that's what you want to do. You want to do that, feel like that, and then you stop. You calm yourself down, work your blood pressure back down, make that heartbeat come back down, like, okay, all right, let me relax. Wow, let me relax, let me go hard, let me relax, let me go hard. What time is it? Jumping jacks, burpees, which one is it? I'm gonna be running in place, but you switch, and you doing all of this for whatever time period you're doing, as long as you're doing it for a time period to get you tired, you would be in good shape. You will be in great shape. Just be consistent with trying to do your workout, no matter how long you do it, no matter how many times a week you do it. Just try to tell yourself, I'm going to try to do this workout at least one time today. If I could do it one time today, I'm going to try again tomorrow. But if you can do that and tell yourself and just show up, you'll get right. Look at this, man. Build that endurance. We going hard. This is the hard I was talking about. He's not even going anywhere, but he feel like somebody's chasing him. Who's chasing him? Oh, man. Who's trying to... Oh, man. He's going... Somebody get this guy. Somebody call some help. Somebody call this some help. He's going hard for no reason. He said it's week 9. He said week 9 is on the way. Oh, man. Oh my gosh, are you watching, guys? Are you watching? Oh, well, what was that? Are you watching this, man? Why are you looking at me like that, bro? Bro, don't look at me. Oh, what you do? Oh, wow, you going hard again. Oh, what is he doing? That's a circuit. Yeah, I bet he gonna feel that in a few minutes. That boy, look at him going. Yeah, he about to stop, ain't he? Look at him. He ain't gonna keep going. What workout he be doing, though? That's crazy. I literally just watched him go crazy. I wonder if I can do that. That look like simple stuff. Is he in a room? Whose room is that? Is that a hat on his door? Come on now. My son got abs. How many abs is that? Whose chest? Wow, did he get that chest today? Look at those arms. What is he doing? My man's. Wow. Yeah, so if you came here, you seen this, I appreciate you for viewing, I appreciate you for watching. If you're a regular subscriber, I appreciate you. If this is your first time, that's what I'm talking about. You feel me? This is how it gets done. Simple home workouts made just for you. You're welcome.